Hey guys, it is Bubba Diecast here, and today we are going to do 2 Hot Wheels monster trucks and 3 Muscle Machines cars. This is new for 2022. This is the Raptor F-150, and it's number 38 out of 75. There's some others at the 1983 Chevy Silverado, 2017 Ford Raptor, Shark Wreck, Town Hauler, Bigfoot, Nacho Mamas, Bone Shaker, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Leonardo. There are trademarks of Firestone and GM. And Ford. We got the Land Rover, which is number 66 out of 75, and it's also new for 2022. And it says Off-Road Race, and it's number 4 out of 5. There's some others like Bear Devil, Mega Rex, Land Rover Defender 90, Tiger Shark, Bigfoot, Will Trash It All, Triceratops, and the 2017 Ford Raptor. There are trademarks of Land Rover, Firestone, and Ford, and also right there, Universal. We got the Muscle Machines 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500, and it says it's number 1. And this is a 164 collection, so this is 164, just like Hot Wheels and Matchbox. So right here are Series 1. There is the 2020 Mustang Shelby GT500, 1955 Chevy Cameo pickup, 1966 Dodge Charger, 1987 Buick GNX, 1964 Shelby Cobra, and the 1993 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. There are trademarks of Dodge, Firestone, Ford, GM, and Shelby. So we got the 1987 Buick GNX, and it says it's number 4. We got the 1993 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra, and it's number 6, and this is with California Highway Patrol. So that'll be it, and I will see you in the next video.